I am finally posting this video. Of course, it's another extra small glove try-on video. And part of the reason why this was delayed, I was waiting on another box to get here, and they never showed up. And Amazon asked me if I wanted to cancel my order, and I said yes. And I was like, I'll just do it with this box. So I hope you still enjoy it. And also, I think what will make these videos even more enjoyable is if I invest in a microphone so you can really hear the glove sounds up front and personal better. So I just wanted to offer you guys some relaxation. I know you guys like the glove sounds, so let's get to it. Here's the box, and they are going to be a soft green color. Actually, I really don't know the shade. I haven't opened them yet, so let's do that now. And if you're not using headphones, you might want to, because I'm going to be whispering and talking very soft in this video. And I couldn't find my scrub, so you get a tie-dyed hoodie. It kind of matches the gloves though. Oh, that's interesting. Coming out. They're more of like a mint than an actual green. Here's the first one. And they're small, so I'm not pretending on that. They're extra small, so let's do another one. Okay, they look more blue on camera, but they're actually mint. They're mint color, so let's get you. But here's the first one. Ooh. Oh my god, they smell minty too. All dentists and dental hygienists should wear these. That is a trip. So yeah, so here's the first one. Kind of a light bluish green color. And I was waiting on another pair. They were supposed to be more like a lime green, like a soft lime green, but the mint are the ones that actually came in the mail, so that's what you get. Here's the second one. Hold on. Let's pull that up. So there are the minty smelling, I wish you guys could smell these too, and the minty colored medical gloves. Medical gloves, medical gloves, medical gloves. So they may have like pre-powdered these or did something, because they went on pretty well. But I like these. If I was like, I don't know, I think these are probably for dentists. That's why they smell minty. Maybe when you're like working in someone's mouth and their breath stinks, then you can just smell your glove. I don't know if that sounds weird. Who knows? So I wish I had the other box of gloves to show you, but I don't. Maybe sometime in the future I'll order another pair and give you another video to relax to. But like I said, I am gonna look into getting a microphone so the sounds can be a little bit more pronounced than they are now. But if you guys have any other tips for glove sounds, please let me know. Please let me know. I haven't been in the best mood lately. I've been going through some really hard things, and it's kind of delayed my interaction with you guys a bit, but just bear with me, you know. And it's one of the reasons I wanted to do this video tonight. It's because that's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this video for you guys tonight, is because I'm feeling kind of down, and so if you guys are feeling kind of down, I thought I would provide you with the same relaxing spirit that I need right now. So if you're feeling a little bit miserable right now, you're not alone. And keep fighting. Keep fighting. Whatever life tries to throw at you, just keep fighting. It's, you know, it's a ghost culture. People love to ghost. They love to ghost people. I really believe that soon robots are going to take over the entire world. I've even seen people walking pet robots. Like, they're all over. People walking robot dogs, robot babies in strollers. People aren't going to need college degrees anymore. They're not gonna, the world's not gonna be conducive to having kids, so it's all gonna be robots, AI. And people's interactions are already limiting with ghosting each other, and it's just gonna get worse and worse with the robots. People are just not going to talk to each other at all. Sorry if I sound a little bit crazy, but I know you guys are supportive. What does it sound like? I don't feel like these ones are as noisy. I mean, they still have a good snap, but if you guys would like, I can put them on again. Show me the money. All right, well. And someone requested that I do another dental exam. I know that those ones are always hits as well. So I could use gloves for it. That'd be perfect, right? All right, let me try it again. Oh my gosh. You know what, maybe I should, I don't like to waste, so maybe I should, and you know what I like about these also, is that they don't change color. Well, you know, not as much, because they're already a darker color than the white, so, okay, I'm not messing with trying these inside out, but I do want to remind you guys of the glove giveaway once we hit 600 subscribers. I mean, full boxes, people. What am I gonna do with these? Send them to you guys. That's what I'm gonna do. So be on the look. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna give you guys another relaxation of me putting on the extra small glove. So I love that glove. You guys have got me hooked on the glove sounds. I used to not understand it, but now I like it. All right, let's do this again. Oh, my fingers are sticking a little bit to this one. Yeah. There's one. There's two. There's three. I can't believe I never smelled mint smelling gloves. Let me hold it up closer to the camera. So here's the next one. Oh my gosh. There we go. There we go. And also, guys, with my Patreon membership, I'm already creating some custom videos for people along with their membership. That's what you get if you sign up. But also, well, it's one of the things you get. And then also, once we reach, like, I'm gonna say 600 members on there, I'll be doing another giveaway. But this one will be huge. It'll be like a trip to Europe or something. So your support means a lot to me. But let me know what your guys' favorite sound in this is. You like that sound? Do you like this sound? Do you like this sound? So yeah, and remember, guys, that anyone that emails me about a custom video, I encourage you to look at the membership, and I only do safe for work content. So if you're requesting anything explicit or suggestive, I'm probably not going to be able to do it, because that's not the kind of vibe that I'm trying to relay here. This is just for fun. It's just for a little bit of relaxation, you know, some tingles, but it's not about, you know, I'm not gonna jump into that explicit content territory. So just wanted to let you guys know that. I don't know what other glove sounds to make, but there goes my wonderful mint gloves. And I really want to thank each and every one of you. Let me know any tips or suggestions that you have for me. As you know, I'll always consider them. And you know what? I did consider the glove inflation idea. I know that by like adding vinegar and like powder or whatever to them, you can like do something cool. But who knows? Might try some more stuff and give me some more suggestions. And these were, what were these? These were the latex powder-free examination gloves. Oh, citrus peppermint scent. Vitamin E, moisture lock. Yep, these were the extra small mint latex glove. So if you're interested, maybe I'll link these down below. But yeah, This was fun for me to make, and I wish all of you the very best, and I hope that my videos are bringing you guys a little bit of relaxation, a little bit of tingles, just something you and me can both have fun watching and scripting. So bye guys.